And just to let you know, we're actually considering turning this book into a textbook for homeschoolers. And I'd like to get, if you have some thoughts about that. I was just on the Blaze TV Thursday morning, and the host there said, I homeschool my children, and I use your book as my textbook for the subject because it's so full of facts and information. So I'm empowered by that. We need to get this information out there that's unbiased, unvarnished, not tainted by this climate alarmism, but rather just talk about the science, the facts, and the data. So we published it over a year ago. Recently, we've had some important things going on. We rolled out a smartphone app for the phone. Apple approved it February 1st. We had it up for sale for 30 days, but first, February 14th, I went down to Dallas to the Mercury Studios, interviewed by Glenn Beck for half an hour. We launched the app on the Glenn Beck Show. We had 13,000 downloads in the next 10 days. We got notified by Apple shortly after the Glenn Beck Show that we were unapproved for sales. It's not even just extremely rare. They just never take apps down off that have been approved. If they took InfoWars, Alex Jones down. I don't agree with that. I think that everybody should have a mouthpiece, but I'm no Alex Jones. I'm providing science, facts, and data about an important subject. They've taken things down for pornography, hoaxes, fake sales. And only recently have we found some other conservative apps that have been taken down off the App Store. Now, bear in mind, if you have an iPhone, you can only buy an app for your iPhone. I've got my iPhone in my left-hand pocket here. So if you have an iPhone, you can only buy it in one place. It's at the App Store. So that's the only place. They have a monopoly on the iPhone and any apps that you have on that. They took it, they told us we were unapproved. We appealed it, and on February 28th, again, this is all happening right now. This is 30 days ago. February 28th, they removed it from the App Store, took it down. They said that their decision was final, and there's no further appeals that could be done. The reasoning was they said that it lacked compelling content. Well, this thing, if you would go and look on the App Store and go here, pick up my iPhone, if you would Google climate change or global warming and see what kind of apps pass for approved content that's compelling, these things look like failed middle school science fair projects. I mean, poorly formatted, misspelling, no information. My app, as I pick up my Android, looks like the gold standard for climate change apps. Impactful. All 60 inconvenient facts in the book are here. I've created original videos that are actually pretty cool if you want to go and check it out. If you have an iPhone, too bad for you. If you have an Android, you can search for inconvenient facts and go get it. So this thing is, they said it lacked compelling content. The problem wasn't that it lacked compelling content. It was that the content was too compelling. And that we were seeing people taking this information